Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look as to what can be expected in the month of June for you. And as these are general readings, they may or may not resonate with each and every one of you. They may be your energies of the person or the situation you're dealing with, or maybe the mix of both. So please feel free to swap the characters according to your situation. And if this reading doesn't resonate with you, please check your moon sign and ascendant. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is expected, what can be expected for what's there in Geminis for June. So we have the Page of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Temperance, the Eight of Wands, the Seven of Cups, the Four of Pentacles, the Queen of Cups, the Three of Swords, and the Nine of Wands. Okay. With the Magician at the end. Okay. So Geminis, there is some sort of a new beginning. You are taking a step forward towards a new beginning, and you are feeling very, very passionate about it. You really want to rush in towards this, and you really don't want to waste any time. You really want to get there as soon as possible. You really do not want any sort of a delay in this new beginning, whatever this new beginning is. But with the Temperance, you are trying to it's you are feeling impulsive and you are actually rushing in also, but deep within somewhere, you know, your instincts are telling you that you need to go slow. You should not rush in towards it. Okay, you should balance the pros and cons, some sort of, and that would be the right decision for you. Because if you rush in towards whatever this new beginning is with so much of intensity, there are chances that you may miss the details. There are chances you may miss out something, or you may commit some mistake. Okay, in that. So definitely there is a guidance also, and deep within your instincts are also telling you that though you are rushing towards it, but deep within you know, no, this is not the right thing to do. I should slow down. I should weigh the pros and cons. I should move slow. Okay, so deep within you know that, and maybe you are even trying to go slow and trying to resist that impulse or that urge to move forward. Okay, and that is coming as the guidance also, and it is what your inner voice is telling you also. So it's like whatever your inner voice is telling you, you should listen to that. Okay, and then we have the Eight of Wands, the Seven of Cups, and the Four of Pentacles. So what I feel is whatever this is towards which you want to rush in, or you have rushed at some point in time and now you are trying to sort of slow down. It can be that also. There is some sort of a message or some sort of a communication coming in. It's like a rapid movement of some news. Maybe you're getting some news, or maybe it's a to and fro communication. But the thing is, whatever this news is or whatever this communication is which is coming up is giving you too many options. It's giving you too many options, and you really don't know what to pick on. Okay, which one to decide. Okay, it's like it can be that you are open to many things. Maybe you have a hell lot of options suddenly. Okay, so since you started off in a particular direction with a small beginning, it was a small beginning in that direction, but whatever this communication is, from whosoever this communication is, it is leaving you some sort of confusion is there. It's leaving you confused. So maybe it is opening up n number of choices, it is opening up n number of options, but the thing is, it is leading to some sort of a communication. Okay, so whatever the path this communication is leading you towards is, it's not coming up as a very fruitful type of a communication. It is sort of confusing you. Okay, and because of this, with the Four of Pentacles, I see that you're just holding on. You're just closing off. You really don't know what to do. Okay, so we'll have to see what this confusion is. What this communication is, which is causing you such an impact that you are sort of lost. Okay, what should I do now? So this communication is making you hold back. It is making you to sort of close down. Keep, you're just holding on to it, like you're not revealing it to anyone, you're not sharing it with anyone, and you're just now thinking here with the Queen of Cups. You just, so that this communication seems to be a very significant communication here, because after that the scenario seems to be very different, because here you have to rethink Okay, with the Four of Pentacles and the Queen of Cups, this is the time you are spending. Okay, now it's like here you were rushing in and now you're totally closed off. So this communication is a communication which has landed you up in a situation of confusion. Okay, which path should I follow? What should I do now? What is the right move? What should I do now? And that is what you've totally retreated over here after this communication, and you are now just taking the time off to think about it. It is reevaluation and rethinking that, do I really need to go in that direction what I chose to? Was that the right move? Is that the right decision? And the thing is, you are really heartbroken also. So whatever this is, it has left you heartbroken. So this has led to a confusion also, and it is troubling you also deep within. So obviously you had to retreat from something towards which you rushed in very fast. Okay, but maybe somebody has said something to you. So this news has caused a total opposite reaction, or an opposite, it has made you to sort of rethink and reevaluate, and you are really hurt by this communication or this news. Okay, and here with the Nine of Wands, you feel as if whatever you had invested, whatever efforts you had made, these were sort of not rewarded, and what there was no point in investing so much, and there was no point in showing so much of an interest. Whatever you did here with the Knight of Wands, when you rushed in towards this new beginning, and whatever effort you put in, whatever it was for you, now you are feeling as if it was all worthless. Okay, and with the Magician being here, what I feel is that though you will take some time to come out of it, but then yes, you will be able to take a decision. You will be able to understand that there is no point in waiting over here. I really need to make a new beginning. Okay, I can do that. If I can do it once, I can do it again. It's something like that. So here you are feeling back in power. Okay, after waiting for some time and after just realizing that there is no point in investing, there is no point in waiting here, I should realize my self-worth, I should realize my capabilities, that I have the capacity to start everything afresh and anew. And with the Magician being there, this is what you are trying to do. You are trying to manifest a new beginning for yourself. You are trying to do something, you know that, no, I have the full capacity to do it, I have the full potential to do it, and I can do it once more. Okay, so that is what is coming in with the Magician over here. So let's see what is the guidance from this deck for Geminis. Okay, with the Jack of Spades, maybe you are dealing with a situation which is really tough. It can be a tough opponent. It can be a tough opponent at a workplace. It can be a tough opponent in a relationship. But whatever it is somebody who is holding their cards close to the chest. This person is not revealing what they are feeling. Maybe whatever it is, it may be you, but it is definitely somebody you are dealing with. It's like your mirror image. You are dealing with somebody who is your equal parallels. It's a strong opposition over here. It's not easy to deal with this person. It is a tough deal here, and you are closed off. This person is also not revealing anything, and it is a tough opposition. It's a tough competition, I should say. If not a competition, then definitely it's something tough. It is a tough situation here. If not an opposition, definitely a competition or a struggle. Whosoever you are dealing with, it can be the struggle within yourself, because we have the Four of Pentacles here, and this also seems to be something like that. So maybe it is a tough competition within yourself. It's all within yourself. What should I do? That inner conflict which is going on, that inner feeling which is going on as to what should I do? Should I stay here? Should I move on? What decision should I take? Which direction to take? So let's see what is the guidance from the angels for you. Guardian of emotions. This situation requires emotional maturity and total trust. You are surrounded by those who have only the best of intentions. You can rely on the advice you are given. Challenges will be resolved. This card also indicates a generous, humanitarian, and a refined person whom you can completely depend on. This could be in reference to the characteristics within yourself. So that is what you need to understand, Geminis. And now I'll be doing an extended and exploring the reading further and continue it on Patreon. The link of that is given in the description box below. So if you want to listen to that, you can click the link in the description box and join me on Patreon. Thank you.